Yo, what's good? It's your boy Bike with another video. Today we are going to be talking about Clip Studio Paint. Just released an update a few days ago, and they have added the infamous, the most requested tool. Photoshop users used to love to throw this in everybody else's face, but now we got it.
By the power of Grayskull.
Clip Studio Paint now has the Liquify Tool. So today I'm gonna be testing this thing out, seeing how it works. And then also I'm gonna show you how the old Liquify, quote unquote, Liquify tool, because they did have a tool that kinda worked like the Liquify tool. So we're gonna go over both ways. I do content just like this every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't wanna miss all this value. Hit that button. So we're gonna go to a random drawing that I did, and then we're gonna test out the Liquify tool. Now to get to the Liquify tool, all we have to do is go to our toolbar and you click on the two teardrops. Yeah, that's it. The two teardrop, I have two of them for some reason. It's gonna be the blend, and then right next to the blend is gonna be Liquify. So now we've got the Liquify tool, and what we can do with that is just stretch it out. So you can stretch things out. You wanna be a little bit bigger, you can stretch it out. Want this a little bit bigger. Hold on, there we go. This a little bit bigger, we can stretch it out, stretch that out. We want the chin to be bigger, we can stretch it out. I don't know why we wanna do that. But this is a great tool if you do not want to erase stuff. Because I know me, I have to erase everything, and then you try to draw it back, and then you may not draw it exactly how you had it the first time, and it's a whole thing. But with the Liquify tool, you can simply manipulate things. I want that like that. I say I want it like that. I'm just messing around with it. Of course, I'm not gonna have her chin looking like Thanos, right? But y'all get the picture. I'm just testing it out. Y'all get the picture. Now let's see if we can isolate. Let's see if we can take this, that, and then let's see if we can isolate only that. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, you can. Okay, so now played around with that, and understand this comes with the update. All you have to do is go to the Clip Studio Paint website and download the new update, and it's going to be right next to your blend tool, the two teardrops, and then it's going to be Liquify right there on the side. Now we're going to look at the old Liquify tool, or what Clip Studio Paint labeled it as mesh transformation. So mesh transformation, we're gonna go to edit, I believe. Is it edit? I think it's edit, transform, and then mesh transformation. Now this used to be the old way that Clip Studio Paint users had to use the Liquify tool. And see, it's not really liquefying, right? But it is moving and manipulating different things. And you can just hit these boxes right here and move them to manipulate them. So this is how we used to have to do. Like, this was really the best we had. I think people had some custom brushes that they came up with, but this is the best we had. And then we could also isolate. So we want to isolate the mouth, then hit this. I have it saved right here, mesh transformation, and we can isolate it, and then we can move it like that. And so I'm definitely gonna be playing around with both of them. I do like this because of the grid aspect of it, but I also like the freedom of the Liquify tool. So which one are y'all gonna use? Put that down in the comments below. But anyway, I hope y'all got some type of value out of this video today. If y'all did, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and as always, I'll holler at y'all next time. Bleed.